Hello, I'm Chris Menard. Let me show you something really easy in Microsoft Excel that a lot of experienced Excel users don't even know you can do. I have a webinar tomorrow. If you want to join, it's free. You can sign up in the description down below. But on this Excel file, I only have 2 regions, but I want to point out the East region has 5 cities. The West region has 3 cities, but assume that I had 12 regions. The fastest way to add up these numbers is I'm going to select the East region, and if you notice, I stopped in the total row. I'm holding down the Control key. The Control key in Excel will allow you to select non-adjacent ranges. So I'm holding Control. I highlighted West. If I had other regions, I would just keep on selecting those. But when I'm done, I'm going to let go of the mouse and I'm going to let go of the Control key. Alt equal will total up those numbers. If you're a mouse person, that is AutoSum. Let's see if they're right, because I'm a little bit worried about them. I'm going to highlight Q1 for East, and I have 904,000 in the bottom right corner. Let's check one more. I'm going to select Q2 for West, 420. So the numbers are correct. Now I need to get the grand total for Boston and all the other cities, plus the grand total for Q1, Q2, Q3, and 4. So now I'm just selecting the first number down to where I want the grand total, another Alt equal, which is AutoSum, and there I go. Let's test these. 688,000, I'm looking up in the formula bar. That formula is correct. Let's test this one. 1,202,000 up in the formula bar. Notice it's B15, comma, B10. That is correct. So there you go. Thank you for your time. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also feel free to sign up for the free webinar tomorrow that'll last for 30 minutes. Thank you.